Hey everyone, Colton Carnival here with FastGraphs with another medium-sized update for FunGraphs. Recently we just released this new version of FunGraphs, but we have now kind of changed some of the features here in the legend, and that's what I'm going to be going over. So as you notice, there's only 3 icons here now. There's a cog, there is an eyeball, and then the delete button. So we removed the line and bar chart and the y-axis movement, and we have now put them underneath this cog. This allows me to now do certain things, like for gross margin, I can change it to a line. I actually can come in here and change it to a color. I can change the line style. So now notice up here, I've got this brown dotted line, and then in here we also have certain things like I can add the median, I can add the high, the low, and have different colors for each one of these. So if I add these values here, it now shows me gross margin, high, median, and low values as horizontal lines. I can even also put a custom marker here, so I can put 80, for example, for gross margin, and then that lets me see anything that is above and below that custom marker. Finally, the last thing that we can do, we also have the ability to change the y-axis here, so left and right, but then I can also add the value as a label or as even the date as a label on here. So if I do this, it now adds the values to the actual bars or lines themselves. Notice I can do that here on the operating margin, and then for example, I can put the period for the net margin. So now I have 2008, 2010, 2011. So just a bit more functionality built here in FunGraphs, a little bit more for you to analyze companies and the fundamentals behind them. These new features in here for being able to add these new markers are really great, these horizontal lines. They'll help you a bit with analysis, giving you the ability to add thresholds and whatnot. So this is all now live, and we are looking forward to hearing what you guys, any feedback that you guys have for this. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you being a FastGraphs subscriber.